Do you need cash and don't want to apply for a loan over the counter? What if I tell you that you can borrow cash directly from your BPI credit card? No paperwork and no branch visit needed. Hi, this is Vanessa, and in today's video, I'll show you step by step how to use BPI Credit to Cash so you can turn your credit limit into real cash when you need it the most. Watch until the end because I'll also explain the fees, limits, how long it really takes to get the money. First step is log in to your BPI mobile app or website. Me, I'm going to use website so it's widescreen. And then you click on the BPI credit card, mark in red. And then here you click on credit to cash. And then in this page you need to enter your credit card expiry date on this tab. And then after you enter it, you see this check mark, green, then you click on continue. Now you select where you want the money to be credited, your bank account or preferred disbursement option, then you click on continue. So me, I'll just click on this because this is mine and registered, and then click continue. In this page is you need to understand your limits. Here you'll see two important things. The madness limit, this is a bonus limit from BPI that does not reduce your main credit limit. And then the second is the credit limit. This is your main limit and any loan here will be deducted from it. So here is the loan example. Let's say I want to borrow 300,000. So I'm gonna use set like from my credit limit, a madness limit I'll put 200k, and then credit limit I want to deduct 100k from it, and say I want to select 18 months payment term, so the monthly is 90,036.67. Another thing to note is the processing takes 3 to 5 working days. Weekends it's not counted, so usually from my past experience it takes 2 days, then it's already credited into your account. But here it's indicated 3 to 5 working days. That is just reference. Let's say you don't want to opt for 18 months and you want to do other payment terms instead, like 60, 48, 36, 24, or 12s. So for instance, you pick 60, so it's monthly is 6,770, and if 48, that's 8,020 monthly payment, and if 36, it's 10,103.33. For 24 months, it's 14,570, and if you opt for 18 months, it's 1936.67. And then once you're all set, I'll just stay for 18 months. You just click on continue. On this page, you double check if everything is correct, your credit card and your account where you want your funds to be deposited. And then when you're good with that, after double checking, you just click on this I agree. There's a 500 processing fee and there is an initial interest, and this may vary depending on your cutoff date. And then always review these details before confirming, and once you're good, just click on confirm. You'll be asked to authenticate or approve the transaction using your phone, but since this is just a demo, I won't proceed. But once approved, that's it. Simple as that. Your 300K cash loan is on its way. 1 to 2 days from my past experience. Easy and simple, right? If this video helped you, hit like so more people can see it. Subscribe if you want more easy to understand guides on finance, tech, and smart money moves. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day. Bye.